The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hi, Neil,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just standing here. Actually, I can't remember why I came in here.
You seem miles away. We're in the studio and we're about to record an episode of The English We Speak.
Ah, of course we are. Sorry. I had a brain fade there.
Anyway, let's get on with the program. And the phrase we're going to teach is brain fade. Imagine that.
Well, let's explain it. Brain fade is a slang term meaning a short period when you can't think clearly or remember things.
For example, when you walk into a room and forget why you went there.
That's a brain fade. Never happens to me.
And how about this? When you can't remember where you put your keys.
Ah, yes, I do know that one. Now you mention it, where are they?
We often use it with have, to have a brain fade. Let's hear a few more examples of this phrase in context.
I saw an old colleague on the street last week, completely forgot her name. A serious case of brain fade. Really embarrassing.
I'm sure I did terribly in the exam. I had a major brain fade.
I hate doing job interviews. It's not that the questions are difficult. I just get brain fade as soon as I walk into the room. Can't even remember my own name.
You're listening to The English We Speak from BBC Learning English. The expression we're looking at in this program is brain fade. Neil? Neil?
Good. Give me a second.
What now?
I took my glasses off while we were listening to those examples, and I can't see them anywhere.
Neil,
Yes?
they're on your head.
Ah, that's a relief. Another brain fade, I'm afraid. I think I just need a good night's sleep.
You do that. That's our phrase, brain fade. Let's hope we made it easy to remember. Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.